You are using Sage CRM and Outlook, but you spend too much time to create and structure new data? Revolutionize your way of working with MS Consult's SmartXcellerator. Our practical Outlook add-in simplifies processes such as storing and assigning emails, creating sales opportunities, creating tickets from email communication, or creating new contacts in CRM. With just a few clicks, the SmartXcellerator takes care of these otherwise very time-consuming tasks directly while sending or reading your email. Extensive settings that are individually adjustable for each user and the well-structured interface offer a quick and easy-to-understand introduction. You can use it right away. This is how processing a ticket could look like. You receive an email from a customer and the company is already saved in your CRM, but you have to create a new contact. Instead of having to transfer all data from the email to CRM, you can simply create the person using the SmartXcellerator. Now you create a ticket for the customer's request and save the email and all other emails that belong to this task and even attachments easily and quickly as communication. You process the request and file your email. If you don't already have set time recording as the default, you can check this box and easily record your working time in the following screen in connection to the ticket created. Make your everyday work easier. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to contact us via email, phone or live chat.